tonight, we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do.
Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a power hour clean with me. I'm focusing just on the kitchen today. As you can see, it's a complete mess, so I need to whiz round, put everything back where it belongs and just get it nice and clean. So I really hope that you find all the motivation in today's video. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it.
Freaking out, to the beat, you freak out, sing like, where's the fun in doing what you're told? I don't mind even though I lose control.
Okay, so the first thing I had to do was sort out the rubbish because it was just overflowing everywhere, falling all over the floor, and it just needed taking out. So I did that first thing, and then I could crack on with everything else. And it always does look 10 times worse when it's just sprawled out all over the sides. So I try and go in and do it in like sections. I put all of the washing up by the sink, and then I just put everything sort of in their categories, if that makes sense. And yeah, it just makes it a lot easier to deal with and less overwhelming when I do it that way. So the first thing I'm going to tackle is the washing up. I'm just going to pop all of the washing up away that I did the night before. I just let it air dry overnight, so I can put that away straight away, and then I can go in and do the washing up that's left. There isn't too much to do, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long, and then we can crack on with everything else.
Right when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Sing like, party like, freaking out, to the beat you will freak out. Sing like, party like, freaking out, to the beat you will freak out. Sing like. I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious. Mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high, so high, so high, so high.
So whilst I'll go ahead and put all my painting stuff away, I thought it would be a good time to tell you guys about my new YouTube channel. It's called Flipping DIY, and I'm so excited about it. I love flipping old furniture and just making it new, making it nice and pretty. So I thought I would start a brand new channel all for flipping furniture, home DIY, and just home makeovers and that kind of thing. So if you are interested in DIY projects, furniture flips, home makeovers and all that good stuff, then do go and give me a follow over there. It's called Flipping DIY, and I'm hoping to have a new upload every single week, so do go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have the link down in the description below.
Mysterious. I can't keep my hands.
Okay, so it's now time to go in and wipe down the sides and the stove and everything. As you can see, it's just gross. There's spills everywhere, there's crumbs everywhere, there's stains everywhere, and I just need to go in and give it a good scrub over. I just wanted to show you a quick close-up because sometimes you can't really see what I'm working with and it looks like I'm just cleaning a clean side, but that's definitely not the case. It was pretty grimy, so I'm going to go in with the sift spray and give everything a good wipe over, just disinfect everything and make it nice and fresh, ready for the day.
Don't be so mysterious, you got me all delirious, 'cause baby I am serious. So how I will keep you to myself, and trust me there is no one else, no other can get me. So how so high, so
So how many times have you gone to put a wash load in and you found there's already washing in there that you should have taken out days ago? Because that has been happening to me more and more often lately, and I know for a fact I am not the only one, so be completely honest and let me know down in the comments if it happens to you as well. But I'm just gonna re-wash that because honestly I don't even remember putting it in, so it's probably been just sat in there for days. So I'm gonna re-wash it, and whilst I am waiting for that, I'm just gonna go in and sweep all the floor because it was really gross. You're gonna see in a minute what I'm actually sweeping up, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I can put all of the washing up away, get all of the sink clean so I can go in and clean all of the sides and cupboards. I'm also going to be steam mopping the floor just to give it a nice deep clean today because I want my kitchen to be really clean and fresh.
Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? Kidding. We can pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough.
So I'm now going in with the lemon sherbet, fabulosa, and some hot water to do the cupboards with, and I just love this scent so much. I don't think you can beat lemon and oranges and just all the citrus smells in the kitchen. But for some reason I'm actually not a huge fan of apple, and I know so many people love the smell of apple in the kitchen, but for some reason that just doesn't do it for me at all. I really don't like the smell. I love apples, don't get me wrong, I just don't like the smell of apples in the kitchen, and I know that's really strange, but I thought I would just let you know that little strange fact about me. But I do love all of the other like citrusy, fruity smells in the kitchen. They just smell so good, so fresh. So I'm gonna go over everything with this diluted water and just make sure that everything is nice and clean.
Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind.
It just feels so good to have a sparkling, clean kitchen. I'm sure I'm not the only one that feels this way, but it puts me in such a good mood and it just sets me up for a really good day. So I really hope that it's motivated you to do yours as well. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it has, and also consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.
Problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile.